Oh, nice car, look. Yeah. Nice car, big car, look. Some really big car, that one. It's got them doors that open sideways as well. It's like the sideways doors, right? Over here we've got a yellow car. Oops. That's nice right there, isn't it? That's a very nice yellow car. That's a TVR, that one. English TVR. Let's get a side angle. That's a nice motor, that one. And over here we've got the GTR. Look at that for a car. Then over here we've got the Ducati bike. Nice motorbike there, look. The Ducati Monster 969. There we've got the Ferrari. That's a very nice Ferrari. Check that out. Ferrari. And over here we have the Volkswagen. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, look at these bikes, Harley Davidson, check that out. It's a Harley Davidson bike. That motor. That is nice bike, nice bike. There's another one over there, Moto Guzzler. And Guizo, oops. Ducati 99S. Oh, look at that bike. Over here we have the 850 Commando. And another Harley Davidson.